The spreader market has evolved a lot in the last 20 years or so. The primary focus back at that time would have been on just a painted steel, mild steel hopper spreader with a gas engine and a conveyor chain. People realized that you're in a corrosive environment, you're hauling salt around in a wet condition. Steel didn't last very long, so we made a switch quite a few years ago to an all stainless steel line. And that greatly increased the longevity of the spreaders, and with proper care, you can do the replacement bearings and stuff forever, so they're almost a lifetime product then at that point. The evolution carried us into the auger spreaders, which are a more positive delivery method. You can control the flow better than you can with a conveyor chain spreader. They have their limits. With an auger, you have to have a nice dry, granular, uniform material. With a conveyor chain spreader, anything that will go through it will come out the back end. On an auger, gravel, for example, won't flow. It won't flow into the auger properly. So we've done that. Evolution is carrying us into poly hoppers, and that seems to be what the market is demanding, so that's where we're going to go. Stainless is a very good material. It's also quite expensive to build, so we think we can cut some cost, not in a bad way, in a positive way, and supply a good spreader at a good price by adding a poly line to our lineup.